الجيمرز والمصممين دائما عندهم احتياجات خاصة لأجهزتهم، سواء للأداء، الجرافيكس أو سرعة العمل. لكن المشكلة شراء أجهزة جاهزة غالبا بيكون مكلف وما بيعطيك حرية تعديل أو اختيار القطع. لهيك كتير ناس تتجه إنها تبني أجهزتهم بنفسهم قطعة قطعة. لما تبني كاستم بي سي أنت بتختار كل قطعة حسب احتياجك، من كرت الشاشة، المعالج، التخزين، حتى الكيس والتبريد. وهيك تحصل على جهاز متوازن بيحقق أفضل أداء بالميزانية تبعتك وقابل للتطوير بأي وقت. وهنا بيجي دورنا في PCBuildQuest، ساعدك تبني جهازك خطوة بخطوة بدون ما تغرق في التفاصيل التقنية. السلام عليكم. My name is Abdelaziz Adwan and I built my first PC when I was 15. Imagine you want the perfect gaming PC. You know building it yourself saves you $200 to $600 compared to a pre-built. And it gives you that adult Lego satisfaction of owning your creation. But there is a problem. You know absolutely nothing about hardware. You don't know which motherboard you should pick, let alone which CPU fits into it. This is a massive bottleneck in the market. Today, 60% of console gamers want to switch to a custom PC, but they are paralyzed by a friction of fear. 25% fears hardware incompatibility, and 22% are overwhelmed by technical complexity. First-time builders don't know where to start. They are constantly wondering, will these parts even fit together? The reality is weeks or months of doing the research, which leads to complete analysis paralysis. However, 55% of users will convert immediately if they were guided through a personalized configurator. Millions of gamers are waiting for this safety net. That safety net is PCBuildQuest. PCBuildQuest is an AI-powered PC builder that turns months of research into a 3-minute questionnaire. Users tell us their use case, budget, performance preferences, and aesthetic preferences. Then our AI analyzes the inputs and outputs a perfectly compatible, ready-to-purchase parts list. The final result is going from paralysis to purchase ready in under 5 minutes. Someone might ask, why not just use PC Part Picker or ChatGPT? PC Part Picker requires you to already be an expert to choose or select parts manually. Generic AI gives you outdated data and might hallucinate compatibility. PCBuildQuest is the only platform combining AI ease of use with brand neutral and guaranteed compatibility. We don't just give you a list. We give you the confidence to hit buy. So how do we make money? Our revenue model is a highly scalable affiliate engine that turns one-time purchase into a life cycle. We earn $50 commissions on every $2,000 core build. Through our Gear Advisor, we recommend high-margin peripherals, capturing commissions up to 10% from direct manufacturers. And through our inventory, we track user specs and trigger automated upgrade requests, capturing the recurring hardware refresh cycle. Furthermore, we are integrating Amazon Newegg Best Buy, removing our dependency on any single retailer. We are launching at the US at first, as it accounts for 25% of the global revenue. It has 2.5 million first-time builders in 2025, with a TAM of $21 billion. It has the biggest stock worldwide, and they embrace the culture of do-it-yourself. To get our MVP into the hands of first-time builders, we are driving traffic through 3 primary channels: SEO-driven content through our blog, community engagement on Reddit and TikTok, where gamers are naturally there, sponsorship with tech influencers who can demonstrate our solution. To reach our milestone of 1,000 monthly builds, we are raising $150,000 and seeking strategic introduction. 60% of them goes for development and infrastructure, most importantly, automating our engine and integrating the Amazon BA API to give real-time data and guaranteed compatibility. And 40% for marketing, deploying targeted campaigns on Reddit and TikTok with a proven benchmark of $0.2 cost per click and at 1% conversion rate, considering worst case scenario, we can acquire a customer for $20, yielding a $50 commission. Finally, we are seeking strategic introduction with a Tier 1 Amazon associate to get initial access to the Amazon PA API. I'm Abdelaziz Adwan, founder and CEO of PCBuildQuest. Our full-stack developer is Ayman Sami. Together, we are PCBuildQuest. At PCBuildQuest, we help you build your first PC with confidence. Thank you.